Hello guys, Mr. Grandpa here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make French toast in the microwave. So first you're going to need bread, milk, syrup, 1 egg, some cinnamon, 2 forks, butter, and 2 mugs. First thing you want to do is you're going to get your eggs. You're going to crack 1 egg. There we go. Cut that one perfectly. Pull that out. Then you're gonna put some cinnamon in here. Hard to cook, guys, and do this. I'm gonna pour cinnamon into here. That much. I'm gonna take some milk. Put about a tablespoon. Roughly estimate this. That's how about good. Now you're gonna whisk it up. So I will put the camera up because I need to have it. So I'm gonna do something with my fork. Okay. Here's this with this. And mix this with the fork around the sides, like that. So it's like that. You guys can keep looking. Okay. Once that's done, it should look about like that. It should kind of go like this. Mix it up like that. Next thing I want to do, I'm just going to go put some stuff away. Put in my refrigerated stuff bag. Hi, girl. Yeah, the cat talks to me. Over here. Go in eggs. There's my soda. And milk. Okay. Okay, next thing, put your mixture aside. And I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to take bread. I usually do 4 pieces because I don't put the crust on because that just takes up more space. Add a couple pieces. So I got eggs on here. Okay. Now you're just gonna cut into little cubes. Take a knife from here. Get this. This is easier to do when you're not holding a phone in your hand for the whole thing. Okay. Nope. And cut like that. Like that. Okay. Now you're gonna just rip it. Just put it in little pieces like that. Rip, place, replace, replace. Your distance. People say to line it with butter. I should put butter on top. Put the bread real quick because this is easier when you're not having a camera in your hand. One side. 3 sides. Yeah, I'm really fast. I'm putting the other one in right now. Clean this one up. Maybe even just peeling it, you guys, but I like to cut. It's about 4 o'clock, so I need a snack. I went for school a little while ago. So I'm just gonna put this stuff in here. So it's about. Okay, not that much full. Right here. Okay. What you're gonna do, now you're gonna pour your mixture on. Twist this up a little bit more. So, this fork right here in the sink. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little mixture here and pour it over. then I take your other fork. Actually, eat this. Just go pushy, 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 pushy. Okay. Put that back in here. Now what? I don't know what you're gonna do. Some better, better. Come on, butter. What to do? Okay. Right on top. In the middle. You can take some syrup. This part. Okay. Some syrup. I think it's done already. And you're probably like, this can't be done already, so it's not. Okay, this can't explode in your microwave, so be careful. But it's never did that for me. Okay, so rub your microwave. Just stick it in. Minute and 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna put some stuff away. Syrup and the cinnamon, and put this in the sink. And then will be the taste test. Curtis. Put my cat. Hi. 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 Click here. Curtis. Curtis. Can talk? Can talk. Talk. Curtis. Let's see. 44 seconds. Curtis. Gonna go eat, fat boy. Gonna go eat, you fat boy, fat boy. Go fast. Curtis. Okay. Go wash my hands real quick. It's done. It's 20 seconds. The grease on here. Ooh. Mom, can you smell that? My mom used to think it smells good. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Look at that. Okay. If it's not done, you can put it in for 30 seconds. So, let's see. You see like the egg whites and yum. Now we're gonna try this. Really hot, guys. See the steam? Kitty! Curse! My mom is playing Lego. What are you playing? Lord of the Rings? Yep. There's my other cat. So, let's cool down. Okay, bye. Oh, that's steaming. Whew. Whew. Oh my god, it's so good, guys. So, it's really good. Let me just get some more on here. Hot. Oh my god. Hey guys. Hey. So, this thing has to go through. You guys want to see anything else? Okay, that's the best mac and cheese you would ever have right there. So, I'm gonna bite of this. It's so good. Ha. 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 That's the bounce around my mouth. Ha 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 ha. Ha. Hey guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy this in my room. Well, my mom's playing Lord of the Rings and eating, what is it, Mom? Red Velvet Oreos. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. And bye-bye.